Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to delete your ConvertKit account. The first thing I want you to do is once you're logged in, come to the top right, click on your profile icon, okay? And then click here on settings from the drop down. And once this loads up here on the left hand panel, just go ahead and scroll down until you see account and billing. I want you to click on this, and on this page, once it redirects, I want you to scroll down until you see account deletion. Then just click on delete my kit account. They'll ask you to type delete account. Just go ahead and do that. Okay. And then just click on continue. Then you need to enter your password, after which you will be signed out of your account. There we go. Click on delete my account. And basically the process usually takes 24 to 48 hours. So you just have to wait. And after that, your account will be gone. And that is how you delete your ConvertKit account.